Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers, Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial video, we will learn Hello World program in Python in both interactive mode and script mode. What is an idle? Execution mode, interactive mode and script mode. Advantages and disadvantages of interactive mode. Advantages and disadvantages of script mode. Using the sys module display hello world. Difference between interactive and script mode. The Python interpreter must be installed on our computer in order to write and run Python programs. We can download and install the latest version of Python from the official website www.python.org. What is an idle? Python comes with an integrated development environment known as idle. Idle is the standard and most popular Python development environment. Idle provides a single interface for writing, running, saving and debugging Python programs. It is easy to write and run program in this environment. Execution mode. Python idle has two modes in which to work, an interactive mode and a script mode. Interactive mode. When commands are read from a terminal, the interpreter is said to be in interactive mode. The interactive mode is also known as the REPL, read, evaluate, print, loop. The term REPL is discussed by A.L. Seigert in his popular Python book, Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. In interactive mode, when we type a command and press enter, the output is displayed immediately. Interactive mode is great for testing syntax and trying out a small program quickly. The interactive mode of Python has two prompts. The primary prompt, 3 greater than signs for accepting the command. The secondary prompt, 3 dots for continuation lines. How to run Python code in interactive mode? To run the Python code in interactive mode, open the terminal. For Windows it is command prompt and for the Linux, Unix, Mac OS and Android it is terminal. Then type Python and press enter. The interactive mode will appear. The 3 greater than signs indicate that we are in Python's interactive mode. It is also known as Python shell or Python prompt. To run the Python statement, just type the statement on the Python prompt and press enter. We will get the output immediately. For instance, to display the text hello world, type the statement print hello world on the Python shell and press enter. Print function. In this Python statement, print is a built-in function to display the string in our screen. Syntax is print string. A string is a sequence of characters. In Python, strings are enclosed within double quotes or single quotes. The print function can display text that is surrounded by quotes and enclosed within parentheses. It will display a blank line if you do not put anything inside the parentheses. Python is case sensitive. That is, lowercase a is not the same as uppercase A. The function names are written in lowercase by convention. So print hello world will work, but print hello world and print hello world will not. Let us explain the statement. The first statement will work because all the letters in the print function are in lowercase. In the second statement, the first letter of the print function, that is P, is in uppercase, so it will not work. In the third statement, all the letters of the print function are in uppercase, so it will not work. The Python shell also allows us to run multiple statements. For instance, first assign hello world to the string, then type print string. It will display the hello world in the terminal. Use the Python shell as a simple calculator. We can also use the Python shell as a simple calculator. For instance, type 10 plus 5 in the cell and press enter, it will display 15. Try another one, type 10 plus 2 multiply by 3 in the cell and press enter, it will display the result 16. Advantages of interactive mode. The interactive mode is suitable when our program is short. Interactive mode is suitable for testing and experimenting with syntax and small pieces of code because it gives immediate feedback. Interactive mode is suitable for beginners who want to learn and understand the basics of Python. Disadvantages of interactive mode. We cannot save the statements in the interactive mode, so we will not be able to use the Python program in the future. The interactive mode is not suitable for large programs. Editing the program in interactive mode is a difficult task. Script mode. In script mode, we write Python code in a file, then save this file with the .py extension, and then use the interpreter to execute the file. Once we have saved the file, we can view, edit, and run the code at any time by opening the file. In script mode, editing becomes quite easy. Script mode is more suitable for writing large programs. How to run the code? Write and save your code. Write your Python code in a file using any text editor. Then save the code file with a .py extension. For example, hello.py. Execute your code. In script mode, there are two ways we can execute our code. One, using a terminal. Two, using the Python IDE. Using a terminal. Open the terminal and change the directory to one where we have saved our Python code file. To change the directory or path, we can use the cd command. Type the following command in the terminal and press enter. Syntax is python filename.py. For example, python hello.py. When we press the enter key, the Python interpreter will display the result in the terminal. Using the Python IDE. Open the Python IDE and then open the Python code file using the open option in the IDE. To run our Python program, simply select the run option in the IDE. Then the interactive window will display the results of our program. Advantages of script mode. In script mode, we can save our code for future use. Script mode is more suitable for writing large programs. In script mode, editing Python code is quite easy. Script mode is preferred by expert Python programmers. In script mode, we can view, edit, and run the code at any time by opening the file. Disadvantages of script mode. Script mode is not suitable for executing just a single or a few lines of code. Script mode is not suitable for testing and experimenting with syntax and small pieces of code. Using the sys module display hello world. We can also display a string on the screen by using sys.stdout.write. Syntax is sys.stdout.write string. Type the following code into the IDE and run it. Import sys.stdout.write hello world. It will display hello world in the terminal. Difference between interactive mode and script mode. Interactive and script mode are two ways of executing the Python code. The interactive mode is suitable for executing small programs, whereas script mode is more suitable for executing large programs. Editing the program in interactive mode is a difficult task. In script mode, editing Python code is quite easy. We cannot save our code in the interactive mode, so we will not be able to use the program in the future. In script mode, we can save our code for future use. Interactive mode is suitable for beginners who want to learn and understand the basics of Python, whereas the script mode is more preferred by expert Python programmers. Interactive mode is suitable for testing and experimenting with syntax and small pieces of code because it gives immediate feedback, whereas script mode is not suitable for testing and experimenting with syntax and small pieces of code because the whole program is first compiled and then executed, so we will not get immediate feedback. According to Michael Dawson, interactive mode is great for trying out a small idea quickly. Script mode is perfect for writing programs we can run later. Using both modes together is a great way to code. Michael Dawson also explains the script window is a where I craft my final product. The interactive window is like a scratchpad where I can experiment. Using them together helps me to write better programs more quickly. Michael Dawson is the author of Python Programming for the Absolute Beginner. To run the Python in interactive mode, open the terminal. For Windows, it is command prompt, and for Linux, Unix, Mac OS and Android, it is terminal. I am using Android. The procedure is the same for Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac OS. Open the terminal and type Python. Press enter. The three greater than signs indicate that we are in interactive mode. It is also known as Python shell or Python prompt. The first line displays the version of Python that is installed on our system. Here it is 3.9.7. To display hello world, type print hello world and press enter. Press enter. Yes, here is the result. The output is displayed immediately. This is the advantage of the interactive mode. If we do not put anything inside the parenthesis, it will display a blank line. Press enter. Here is the blank line. The function names are written in lowercase by convention. So, if we write the print function in either in uppercase or a combination of upper and lowercase, it will display errors. Press enter. Here is the error. Name print is not defined. The Python shell also allows us to run multiple statements. string equal sign hello world. Press enter. Print string. Press enter. Here is the output. We can also use the Python shell as a simple calculator. Type 10 plus 5, press enter. Result is 15. Try another one. 10 plus 2 multiplication 3, the output is 16. This was all about interactive mode. In script mode, we write Python code in a file using any text editor, then save the code file with a .py extension. Print hello world. Then save the code file with a .py extension. Select the save option. Select the location where you want to store the file. I have selected a folder named Python code in the documents folder. Give a name to your file with the .py extension, for example hello.py. In script mode, there are two ways we can execute our code using a terminal using the Python IDE. Let us first test it using a terminal. Open the terminal. Change the directory to one where we have saved our Python code file. To change the directory, we can use the cd command. Cd documents / Python code. Press enter. To execute the file, type Python file name. hello.py. Press enter. Next is using Python IDE. Open the Python IDE. Open the Python code file. Then run the code. This was all about script mode. We can also display a string on the screen by sys.stdout.write. Open the Python IDE, type the following codes and run it. Import sys.stdout.write. Hello world. Then run it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channels. Previous video was how to install Python latest version on Android. Next video is Python character state and tokens. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.